Hey you guys, my name is Turkissa Wilson and I am doing this video because I want to share with you how you can transform this Dollar Tree vase so you can rock it for Valentine's Day. Dollar Tree vase so you can rock it for Valentine's Day or any occasion, as a matter of fact. But super simple, super cute, super easy, you guys. All you got to do is wrap it with Dollar Tree, this wrapping paper right here. They have different colors and it's super cute. This video is inspired by Fern's channel and he rocked the mess out of these things, but he was using real flowers. In my case, I am using them for my candy bouquets, okay? So I just wanted to show you an example of one or two maybe, just so you can get an idea. Boom. Okay, let me back up so y'all can see. Okay, so I will not be doing the candy bouquet in this video. I just wanted to focus on how you can wrap up your vase, okay? And for the inside, I used foam. Yes, foam. But one of my subscribers told me to use pool noodles, the pool noodles, and I actually found some at one of these Dollar Trees, so I will be going back and rocking the pool noodles, okay? Much cheaper because you can do a lot of vases with the pool noodles. So I will be doing that. But these are actually with foam, okay? So, just in case you guys are not familiar with the candy bouquets, all you got to do is, let me see if I can pull one out. Let me pull this out. Okay, there we go. Is glue down a wooden skewer to a piece of candy, any candy of your choice, and I put tape on mine as well. So I put glue and tape on mine and just decorate it with a balloon. You can use flowers. You can use basically anything. Oop, I'll fix it later. But anywho, so that's how you do that. Now, I just want to show you again how to wrap your vase and rock it for Valentine's Day. So if you want to put fresh flowers, you can put whatever you want, fake flowers, or rock it for your candy bouquets. With that being said, let's